this is how you break some beans.
Hi everyone, this is how you break some beans.
Hi, this is how you break beans.
Hi,
We're
I'm breaking beans and I have help today.
Hi, I'm breaking beans.
Hi, I'm Jackson.
Hi, I'm Lily breaking beans.
I'm Isabel. Breaking beans. That's who we are.
Breaking beans.
Picked our first beans of the year yesterday.
Hey, Esther.
And I got about a half of a 5-gallon bucket. So I'm working on getting those broken up and ready for a couple of meals. I have the girls over today, so I have some extra help. Guys, do you like breaking, or girls I should say, do you like breaking beans?
Yeah.
What do you like better, breaking beans or eating beans?
Breaking beans.
Breaking beans.
And if you ever see a string, pull it off. We don't want any strings in our beans. They don't really taste good. No strings on the beans.
So there you go, folks. Just another day on the farm, but we have bonus help today. Thanks for watching.
Bye.
And as always, we'll see you on the next video.
Please
Bye.
subscribe.